Barbecue fam, today we're doing up some buffalo spare ribs. Oh hell yeah, check this out. So we got a slab of pork spares and we're gonna put it on after we clean it up just a touch on the Char Griller 980. Oh hell yeah. And we're throwing in apple chips in the chimney hopper, whatever you want to call it, and some chunks underneath. And then we're gonna smoke these ribs. Oh hell yeah. So when you trim up your spare ribs, you're gonna hit it with a little bit of avocado oil or mustard. You could use mustard and or any oil, and then just a simple SPG. But I'm using SPG plus butter from Grillaholics. Oh hell yeah! And then because at the end we're gonna make these buffalo ribs. I'm gonna slice them up, toss them around with some Cosmos buffalo rub. Oh hell yeah. So once you trim up your spare ribs, you get them indirect, about a 250 to 275 degrees, and then let it go for about 3 to 4 hours. You want to check where the bones are. Once they start pulling back, the smell in the air is delicious. Oh, you know you're getting close. So once you're there, pull them, cut them, throw them in a bowl, and whatever kind of buffalo sauce you want to nail it with. I'm using that Cosmos wing dust, that buffalo kind. Oh hell yeah. So after 4 hours on these spare ribs,
give me a hell yeah!
buffalo ribs. Oh hell yeah, check these out. Oh yeah. Super moist, super tender, and got a little kick. Oh hell yeah, these are rocking.
I said give me a hell yeah!
Oh my goodness, fall off the bone. Can't go wrong. Whoo! Buffalo ribs. Oh hell yeah! Any day of the week, these are amazing. And I got a couple extras for the dogs. Yeah. Throw all your scraps that you're gonna cut and throw away onto the smoker as well. Give them to your dogs or your pets, whatever. They're gonna love it. They're gonna love you. Oh, hell yeah.
I said give me a hell